So I have the life cycle of a butterfly, and it is for second grade science. There's the class code. Essential questions. Students will identify the components in the life cycle of a butterfly. Students will understand how the life cycle of a butterfly works. Standards. Examine life cycles of plants and animals. First group eggs. They will be using a Flipgrid to create a video that lists the life cycle of a butterfly, and they will play a memory game putting the life cycle components in order. Larva. They will write a story through the perspective of a butterfly, and they will act out a play transforming into a butterfly. Pupa. They will create a collage about the life cycle of a butterfly using magazines and books, and they will draw and label the life cycle as if they were the butterfly. And lastly, the butterfly, they'll use iMovie to create films as if they're working to save butterflies and convince the audience why we should save the butterflies. And they will create a movie about the life cycle and why it is important.